Hello everyone, welcome you all these online video classes. This is the third part of chapter 1, The Fish Tale of class 5 subject mathematics. Okay students, yesterday we have learned the fishermen in their boat and the different types of sea animals, correct? So in today's session we are going to start that a new point, what a catch, correct? Students, did you heard of word catch? Yes, catch, very good. While playing a cricket, generally we are using a word this catch for what? Yes, you are catching ball. Okay, so let's start our today's session. Oh, just read. Out on the sea, out on the sea, the fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. Everyone we know what is the job of fisherman, what is the duty of fisherman. The fisherman catches a fish, okay, where? Out on the sea. For the catching the fish, they went far in the sea, okay, and they find just a good place where they can catch a good of fish, okay. After that, when they got a place, there they spread their nest. What they are doing? They are spreading their nest to catch a fish, and after spreading a nest, they will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nest. Means once they spread their nest, immediately not all the fishes are coming in their nest. The fisherman have to wait for many hours to catch a good fish. Understood students? So this is about what a catch. This point is our clear. Now next is look at the different types of boats. Here we can see that we have a pictures of different kinds of boats. First one is motor boat, okay. Again we have one more picture of motor boat. Then long tail boat, if we see, it look like, yes, tail boat. And the next one is big machine boat. This is also called as the traveler, okay. So let's come to our point. Look at the different types of boats. Some boats have a motors, okay. Some boats have a motors, and some boats have a motors and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. Why they go far? To catch more number of fishes. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. Okay, here they are mentioning the speed of the motorboat. And what is the speed of motorboat? The speed of motorboat is about 20 km in 1 hour. Means in 1 hour this motorboat traveling 20 km distance. Okay. So now we have a question that students you have to solve. The question is, how far will the motorboats go in 3.5 hours? Okay, here they are giving within 1 hour this motorboat travel 20 km distance. So now the question is, within 3.5 hours, within 3.5 hours, how many distance will cover that motorboat? So students, can you solve? Yes, you also try with me. I also give the solution. Okay, how to solve? First, what they are giving? They are giving the distance covered in 1 hour. Okay, how much distance this travel motorboat cover within 1 hour? Correct, 20 km. So we will mention here 20 kilometer. This is already they are given. Now what is the question? The question is, how far would the motorboat go in 3.5 hours? So here we have to find out the distance covered in 3.5 hours, correct? So before 3.5 hours, first we will find out the distance covered in 3 hours. So how can you find out? 1 hour we know 20 kilometer. So within 3 hours, students, what you are going to do here? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. What? Yes, correct. Multiplication. So 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to how much? 23 is 60. Correct. 60 kilometer. Okay. We got here the distance covered in 3 hours. So now again we have to find out the distance covered in half hour, because they are asking about 3.5 hours. Na? Our 3 hours is completed. Now what about half an hour? Half hour. So how you will find out? Yes, 1 by 2 multiply by 20, distance covered in 1 hour. Correct? So 1 by 2 multiply by 20 means 20 divided by 2, and 20 divided by 2 is nothing but 10 kilometer. Okay? So here we got the answer of distance covered in 3 hours is 60 kilometer, and distance covered in half an hour is equal to 10 kilometer. Understood how to find out? Now we will find out the total distance covered in 3.5 hours. How you will find out? Yes. How much distance covered in 3 hours? 60 kilometer plus distance covered in half an hour is 10 kilometer. So total 60 plus 10, how much? 70 kilometer. So you got the answer finally? Yes. Is your answer is correct? Yes. Very good, students. The distance covered in 3.5 hours is 17 kilometer. So again let's come to our topic. This the answer you got. Now one more questions we have, that is, how much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? Here they are asking about distance, and now here they are asking about the time. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? So can you solve this, students? Yes, I will help you. Again we will solve. This is over. We hope you understand. Now we'll solve second number question. Time to complete 20 kilometer. For 20 kilometer distance, for 20 kilometer distance, the motorboat take 1 hour to cover 20 kilometer distance. The motorboat take 1 hour. Now they are asking about how much time take to complete 85 kilometer. That we have to find out. Correct? So how we are going to find out? 85 kilometer. We can write 85 kilometer is nothing but, we will bifurcate this 80 kilometer is equal to 80 plus 5. Okay? 85 is nothing but 80 plus 5. So now we have to find out 80 divided by, for 1 hour they are taking 20 kilometer plus, okay, 5 divided by 20. So here 21s are 20, 24s are 80, एक सेकेंड स्टूडेंट्स, so 24 is 84 plus 5 divided by 20 means 5 4 is 20. So we can say that 1 divided by 4. It means, so the answer is 4 hours plus 1 divided by 4. 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th hours means how many? Can you find out, students? 1 by 4 hours. Okay, here we got answer. 4 hours plus 1 by 4 hours. And 1 by 4 hours means how? How many? 1 by 4 hours is nothing but 50 minutes. If you can't, I will solve here. 1 by 4. Here we have to find out the 1 by 4 hours into the minutes. So how can you solve? 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, students? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, correct? So 1 by 4 hours is equal to 60 divided by 4 minutes, correct? And 60 divided by 4 minutes is nothing but 4 15s or 15 4s 60, correct? So our answer is what? 4 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, students, 1 by 4 hours means we will convert that 1 by 4 into minutes. So we got the answer 50 minutes. So the next, our question was, how much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? So for the motorboat travel 85 kilometer, it will take 4 hours 50 minutes. Understood, students? Okay, very good. So we'll go to the next point. But the fishermen are now very worried. Why you are thinking they are worried? Can you guess, students? Here the fishermen, we can see there. Here the fishermen are now they worried. There are some very big machine boats, that is travelers in the business. They go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. Some fishermen, now the fishermen are now they are very worried because of now there are some big machines are available. We already have seen the motor boat, and the motor boat go far in the sea, and they put their big nest deep in the sea. What will happen after they putting the big nest in the deep? This way they collect a whole lot of fish. By using their deep nest, they will collect a whole lot of fish, leaving very few near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. Okay, when the fishermen wear these big machine that is we also mentioned that travelers they went far in the sea and they put their big nest deep in the sea, correct? And by using that nest they catches a lot of fish. Okay, so these big machine boats also catch the small baby fish. These big machine boats, motor boats, when they are spreading their nest deep in the sea, they are catching not only big fish but also a very small fishes also they catch, which have yet to grow up. Okay, they are very small, they are very tiny fish. They have to wait a grown up, but the fishermen they catch. The fishermen in the smaller boat always let the baby fish pass through their nest to go back into the sea. But what the fisherman did? The fisherman are not catching the baby fish. Since they got the baby fish, they just pass through their nest to go back into the sea. They close a net size in such a way that only the grown up fish are caught. Okay, so if by mistakenly the small baby fish uh, came into their nest, but after that what the fisherman did? The fisherman again spread their nest into the sea to go back into that sea, and they are catching only the grown up fish, big fish. Correct. For 100 of years, the fishermen have cared for the sea and its fishes. The fisherman not only catches the fish, but they also care for the sea and the fishes, and fish only a little to eat and sell. They say that if a travelers catch a thousands of kilograms, thousands, they say that the fishermen say that if the travelers catch the thousands of kilograms of fish every day, that motor boat or the travelers, if they catches a fish thousands of kilograms every day, then there will be no fish left in the sea. So the fisherman is now worried. They are cared about the sea as well as fishes. Understood? So now here we have one question, that is, we have to write a news report about the dangers faced by the fish, the dangers faced by the fishes in our river and the sea. So here you have to write some news report about the condition, about the dangerous condition that is faced by the fishes and our rivers as well as seas. So students, can you write that news? Yes, I have one solution, I have one answer. You also write. Okay, I will also give. Wait a minute. I have one answer that I want to share with you, students. You also try at your home. Okay, I will start. There is great there is great danger having left with no fish in the sea due to traveler travels due to travels catching thousands catching thousands kilogram. Correct, students? 1,000 kilogram of whole lot of fish. Whole lot of fish, including what? Small baby fish. Including small baby fish, which have to yet to grow. Okay, the government should take care for the sea and and take care for the sea and sea and its fishes and its fishes and its fishes. The government should take care of the sea and its fishes by prohibition of the use of the use to travels. Okay, student. There is a great, I will read. There is great danger having left with no fish in the sea due to travelers catching 1,000 kilometers of a whole lot of fish, including small baby fish, which have to yet to grow. The government should take care of the sea and its fishes by prohibition of the use of travels. Okay, so this was our question, that you have to write a news report about the dangers faced by the fish and our rivers, the fishes in our rivers and the sea. So hope you students, you understand about the condition of fishermen, different types of boats that we have covered in our today's session and what they catch. Okay, now it's time to stop our session. Okay, we will see you soon tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Stay at home, stay safe, be happy. Okay student, bye, take care.